How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market, and I'm going to show you how I do that with my unique strategy that I have developed and made consistent profits for over 6 years, and do this full time and have an over 95% win ratio. I see that UWMC is trending, and I want to go over what my analysis is, so I don't, and my price prediction, and try to cause as less bag holders as possible, and show you my system. And do keep in mind, if you guys want to join my premium Discord and have me do all the work for you, it is right in here where you get my exact entries and exits for only $6 a month for an over 95% win ratio strategy. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how that works. So if you enjoy it, I'll post that link in the bottom below. But let me talk about what you guys want to see. I'm on the daily candle. You see the three bands. The bottom band is a buy zone when price gets near it. Buyers usually come in. It's like pulling a rubber band. It breaks. It can't sustain. And just like when sellers are going to be at this upper band, and that's why when you see price getting above it, it tends to sell off. When price gets close, it tends to pump. The most important is this middle yellow band, and that is your EMA 10. That is where price has to go back to. You will never see price not ever touching it periodically, and that is a fact. And that is a powerful fact, because when you have uptrend stocks, they tend to retest. Downtrend stocks tend to retest just as well. So when you see, like right in here, you have a touch of 1213, and then the next touch is 102. That was about 3 weeks time frame of no touch, and what I want to see is a long distance just like this. As you can see, sellers are in control. We have two big massive red candles, but we don't have time distance. I want to see close to a month. So just using that strategy alone will help you not get into, this first red candle, this second red candle, and then also coordinate that with the lower band close as possible. Because when price gets close to this, then it looks better for a buy zone, but that doesn't mean you just get in right away when price is there. We also look at the KDJ, which is this indicator where my mouse is right now. Lower the K, the better the buy. So we want to make sure that we have an extremely low K, and when I say low, I'm looking for less than 5 for lower price stocks like this, and then we have to have the touch of this lower band plus time distance. If we don't have all three of these things for my strategy, then I do not take the trade. I want to see something like this, time distance of not touching it. Something like this. As you see, we have no time distance, but we don't have the lower band. So I'm going to find something where we have a buy, according to my strategy, and this thing to make the best things. As you can see right in here, actually, I would not have taken it, but as you can see, when just using that one thing, when price hits the lower band and have a low K, this has shot up tremendously from $4 all the way to a high of 570, making you 16% on the day closing and still rising up. So that was a very good thing right in there. But just using this, I try to wear out the stubborn stocks. That's why I look for. There's not as much data because this goes back in 2020. But just like this here, we go up, we go down, because the upper band is sell zones. When it gets close to it, it sells off. And where does it go back to? Your EMA 10 right in here for a conservative target. This one actually is not a bad trade right in here. This one I would have considered because we are close to the lower band with the K is not as low. But as you can see, look at this time distance. 204 to 302. Anything close, if it has not touched the EMA 10 within a month, that is extremely rare. And as I do like to see a lot of this plus close to the lower band for a move up. So I do approve of that trade actually right in there. And so that's kind of what I want to see. I want to look back 2 to 3 weeks from now and look at this trade, and I want to see no touch of the EMA 10. Let the sellers have their fun, and then once we are close to the lower band, we will buy it up, accumulate it for that retouch of the EMA 10 to make massive gains. That is a brief scenario of how I would trade UWMC to have an over 95% win ratio, because you're patient, you know exactly when to buy, you know exactly when to exit. So yes, there's a lot of things to take control. You don't rely on just one thing, and then obviously, using price action and all that, right? If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see a trades just like this present, there's always a trade in the stock market. Exactly, I'm in one right now, and when you go into the premium Discord, you'll see my swing trade alerts with an image of exactly what I'm looking for, of why I took it, with the exact ticker and entry like this, and then you'll have my exit plan, because there's nothing like getting an entry and then not having an exit plan and being lost. I want to make sure that you guys make money, because if you guys make money, I make money, and lots of subscribers just keep coming in, right? Because I want people to be successful and do this full time and make money together, right? We have a big Discord of over 1,000 members, and I'm only charging $6 a month. And the reason why I do that, I could charge a lot more, is because not everyone, one, has accounts that can trade, and if you charge them hundreds of dollars, not everyone has large accounts. And two, I want you guys to test the waters. I'm so confident that you guys will make money, and I'm very transparent. I don't just give a watch list. I tell you exactly what I'm doing. And then I also have education videos of best trend reversal strategy, how to trade options, my trading view set up on how to get your chart to look like this if you want to find trades just like yours, or improvise it a little and use it how you like. But I show you exactly how I'm doing it, of how I've been successful doing this for over 6 years to do it full time. This is UWMC. This is my analysis. The lower band is at 5.46 right now. I'm going to wait for time distance on the EMA 10. I'll lower K, or at least, and then at least when price gets lower, closer to that lower band. I really hope you guys join the premium Discord. If you do join, where you'll find this Discord is down below, and it'll be in the YouTube comments, and it'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. I'll pin it, and it'll also be in the description of my YouTube. You cannot miss it. It'll be there everywhere you find. And when you come in and click that link, it'll take you to this free chat. It's just a landing page. It doesn't mean you're subscribed or have any of the alerts. What you want to do is go to the subscription area, hit the premium chat or any of these channels, and when you do, it will opt you in to subscribe. You can use any payment method for only $6. And when you do that, do keep in mind it is slightly cheaper if you do it on your computer, because you will avoid an iOS fee. Because this is on an app. If you do it on your phone, you will pay just a slightly extra. If you don't mind, it's whatever. It's not that much more. So do keep that in mind. Also, if you guys like this analysis and you liked kind of seeing where to enter, because I know when I was first trading, I would see 9% down on UWMC. I'm going to accumulate. We got another 9% down. I'm going to accumulate. And then the next day it'd be another. That is not how you trade. You want to make sure you're not bag holding, that you're confident in your entries and when you enter and exit. Because we want to get precise entries and not make you stressed out and increase your psychology levels to the max, right? You want to be very confident. And with this strategy, I will make you very confident, because you're going to see lots of back testing where stocks go exactly how I predicted, and they go in waves, because it is very uniform. The algos are very smart. They do exactly what they're told to do, and this is kind of predicting where they want. Right now, we're going down with the paintbrush, and then right in here, when we go down with the paintbrush, we go up in these little waves of correction, go into that EMA 10, and that's what we're looking. We go down, we go up. And it's just finding out the price points of when you want to buy. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Any type of engagement helps me make more YouTube videos, because it shares it to other people, and I know you guys are watching it. So I really appreciate if you guys, any type of engagement to help the algorithms. And thank you so much for watching. I know your time is valuable. And if you want to catch me on a daily basis on my daily thoughts, and you just want to talk and discuss anything, join the premium Discord. I will be there all day during the trading hours, and I hope to see you there. And happy trading, guys. Good luck.